UnitedHealth Group also reporting its second quarter earnings before the bell. If we take a look at the stock there, the shares are up 4%. The healthcare giant saw $92.9 billion in revenue in the second quarter. That's a 16% jump. It was driven by growth in its insurance business and its Optum Health services arm. The company also, though, saw an increase in its medical loss ratio. The share of premiums spent on patient care going to 83.2%, that coming primarily from outpatient care activity for seniors. So that not as positive, but overall the number beating estimates here, and the shares benefiting from that. And it looks like the company for the year boosting the lower end of its profit forecast as well.
Yeah, I think for the street and some of the calls that we've seen come through, especially focused on the healthcare insurance or even some of the PBM businesses out there too, there's been more of a tenor to say that people who have been holding off on some of the elective surgeries, some of the spending within that kind of healthcare system, and now are looking to make sure that they could take advantage of those opportunities, that's going to benefit companies like UnitedHealth and some of the other kind of tertiary players out there. And so I looked to this one figure that they actually pointed out within the results. Lost my place here for a hot second, but it was talking just about the number of members that they have also added on. I believe the figure was 1.1 million. There we go. UnitedHealthcare, total people served by UnitedHealthcare with medical benefits, that's increased by over 1.1 million year to date. And so it'll be interesting to see how those people tap into either in insurance plans and where premiums also move from here too.
Yeah, and I should mention that medical loss ratio, even though it was higher, that's something the company had sort of called out, said medical expenses were going up, but it did meet analyst expectations. So that could be why the stock is not getting hit by that.
Certainly. We're going to track UNH as we move on throughout the rest of today's trading session.